How are we feeling here? Philippines was robbed. I have to admit, I'm confused about that. I'm confused about that. I really thought. Now, I don't know who I would have taken out, but I really thought Philippines was going to make the five. Okay, they're coming back. The gowns were beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Maging ang veteranong pageant runway coach na si Luciera ay nagsalita na rin sa di pagkakasama ni Michelle sa top 5. Anya, para sa kanya ay narab o naagawan si Michelle ng pwesto na dapat sana ay sa kanya. Puring-puri niya rin si Michelle sa mga naging performance nito sa swimsuit at evening gown competition, kaya laking pagtataka niya na nalikwak si Miss Philippines.
Think of the Philippines walk. I think her walk was great. I loved Miss Philippines walk. I loved the swimsuit on her. I really did love the swimsuit on her. Good. Okay, they're coming back. The gowns were beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. There was a lot of light, right? The black. Oh my gosh, that black, was that Philippines? That black was off the chain, but all of them were beautiful.
And the last woman advancing is Colombia!
Iniilan sa mga judges o selection committee ng 72nd Miss Universe na sina Carson Presley, Nadia Ferreira-Muniz, at Iris Mitena, ay salita o nagbigay ng kanilang saloobin patungkol sa ating Miss Universe Philippines representative na si Michelle Marquez D. Narito at panoorin.
Oh, Miss Philippines was fantastic. We loved her. I thought she was absolutely radiant tonight, and Philippines always produces a wonderful contender.
Thank you so much.
Yes, mabuhay.
Thank you.
Of course. I wish her the best ever today and always. She's gorgeous and you have a beautiful presenter.
Thank you.
Hi, Miss Philippines. Michelle did such a great job. I love her.
I am only one judge, so what I say only matters for one vote. But I will tell you, Philippines was definitely high up there for me, and I would have loved to see her go further. But again, I'm only one judge. But I loved her. She was stunning. She did amazing.
Mabibilngon, bisan din ka pa magtago. Karauta gadiday, paniyo nga binurdahan, kay maulaini.